again, kasama ko si Attorney Rolex Supico, mag-file po tayo ng petition to declare for indirect contempt against Richard Hidarian and Percival Sendenia.
We are here to file through the distinguished counsel, Attorney Mark Pellegrino, kompanyero namin, ang petition to declare certain individuals in contempt of the Supreme Court.
Mayroon pa mga kasunod yan.